Hi everyone, my name is Marina. I am owner of Skin. I am here to talk to you about Cervello laser. I've had this laser for about a year and I can't say enough about it. I have so many happy clients just because it works on all Fitzpatrick's type, so 1 through 6 can comfortably come in without worrying that they are going to get burned. It's virtually painless thanks to the cooling tip that it has and very comfortable process. It works at 3 different wavelengths, so it knows how to target your hair for each Fitzpatrick's type, which not a lot of lasers allow for that. And I am super happy with this machine.
Today was my first time getting laser hair removal with this Cervello machine. I did research before my appointment and I expected a few stings or pinching on my skin, but thankfully the gel as well as the tips slid on my skin really well. I didn't feel any discomfort, and I'm excited to see my results and continue my sessions. Working with the Cervello team has been a breeze. When it comes to any assistance that I need, whether it's questions that I have about the machine itself or settings that I could use for a specific client, they get back to me as soon as possible. What's also great about it is that any time that's, I want to say about every 6 months, they do extended training, which is really great because it's able to extend my knowledge and kind of refresh me on anything that I may forget.
Cervello laser is not only great for the body, but it's also amazing for the face. So if you have any facial hair that you're struggling with and possibly getting those ingrowns / acne on your skin, it's going to be amazing to get rid of that hair, but also clear up those ingrowns, those acne looking bumps, as well as that pigmentation from that.